First thing you're going to want to do is get your images. And the best way to do that is to take a tripod and put your camera on the tripod so that you will get the exact same spot for each of the items that you're going to place into your timeline. So once you got all your pictures, just put them onto the timeline. And what you want to do is you're going to want to have each one about 2 seconds long. Once you have your images to about 2 seconds long, you're going to want to then add in a video transition. Go to your video transitions and select smooth cut. Take the smooth cut and put it between the first set of pictures. With that selected, we're going to go over to our inspector. And once in the inspector, we're going to make sure that this is smooth cut. Select the better mode. Make sure the speed warp is turned on with a check mark. And your ease, you're going to want to ease in and out for that. And if you want, you can do a transition curve of about 0.5. Once you have completed that, your video should then look similar to this, where you transition from one to another. If you like that looks, then all you do is just copy and you paste between each one from there forward. Then your video will look something like this, where it just morphs, has a pause, and then morphs again. If you do not want the pause between each transition, you want to morph one item directly into another item, you can cut the dwell out and just have nothing but transitions. And that will work as one item directly transforming into another item. Right now, the way that we have it, it is going to transform, pause for a second, and then transform again. And that is all that you need to do to make something morph in DaVinci Resolve.